Welcome to our YouTube channel, Home Decor Design Ideas. In this video, we will be showcasing some amazing cupboard designs for bedrooms that are sure to inspire you. Having a well-designed and functional cupboard in your bedroom is essential for keeping your space organized and clutter-free. We have carefully curated a collection of innovative and stylish cupboard designs that will not only maximize your storage space but also add a touch of elegance to your bedroom decor. From sleek modern designs to traditional wooden cupboards, we have something to suit every taste and preference. Our video will take you through a variety of options, including built-in cupboards, walk-in closets, sliding door cupboards, and more. Priory, the cupboards were the prime thing used for storing various belongings. However, with the changes in the bedroom interior designs, various wardrobes for the bedroom have come up that add to the decoration of your room. Today, the situation is that without any modern bedroom wardrobe, the room would look incomplete as the mess would be totally visible in the room. The closet and wardrobe design available today not only give you additional facilities but also add to the decoration of your rooms in a different way. Be it a small room or a deluxe double bedroom, the best wardrobes for the bedroom are there for giving your rooms the best look as per your dreams. Our aim is to provide you with inspiration and practical tips to create a beautiful and functional cupboard design for your bedroom. So, if you're looking to revamp your bedroom storage or simply seeking ideas for your new home, this video is a must-watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on home decor and design. Let's get started on transforming your bedroom into a clutter-free oasis with our incredible cupboard design ideas.